going to discuss FNA thyroid. So, what does the acronym FNA thyroid stand for? It's for fine needle aspiration cytology of thyroid. So, this technique was initially developed in 1930, but due to some problems, it was then discontinued. Again, it was reinstituted in 1980 by the Scandinavian researchers. Uh, so now FNA thyroid, I'll be discussing what are the indications of FNA thyroid, then what are the contraindications of FNA thyroid, what will be the complications of FNA thyroid, and how the procedure of FNA thyroid is performed. So coming to the first point, that is indication of FNA thyroid. So FNA thyroid is indicated for any thyroid nodule which may be of more than 1 centimeter in size. So the nodule consistency of nodule may be cystic or may be solid, and it is also indicated for multinodular goiter. It is also indicated where the thyroid nodule size is more than 1 centimeter and TSH levels are normal or elevated. So how the procedure is performed and who can perform the procedure of FNA thyroid. So the clinical skill is required for performing the procedure, and there should be a good knowledge about the procedure. So it can be performed by clinicians, cytotechnologists, radiologists, and even pathologists. So what are the requirements for this procedure? For this procedure will be requiring a needle which is known as FNAC needle of gauge 22 to 25 in size, and the length of the needle is 1.5, which is attached to a syringe for the process of aspiration. Now the patient is asked to lie down in a supine position and extend his neck. The swelling can be palpated and localized. Otherwise, if the swelling cannot be palpated, it can be done ultrasonographically, which is known as ultrasonography guided FNA thyroid. Then what are the contraindications for this procedure? The main contraindication for this procedure is the patient suffering from bleeding diathesis like hemophilia. So in this hemophilia patients, this procedure is contraindicated. So prior PT and APTT are required. Even clotting factors will be required. The patient who is on anticoagulants, in those patients also the procedure is contraindicated. Otherwise, it doesn't have any other contraindication. The main complications of this surgery are not much. So just some patients may feel pain after the procedure, but it goes away immediately. So after taking the aspiration, which should be taken at least 4 to 5 times by inserting the needles, slides are prepared with Papenkula stains and the smears are prepared. The readings of smear will tell us what the cytology of thyroid is there. So if they are classified into TH1 to TH5, so accordingly there are different guidelines. If the stain comes between TH1 to TH5, so this FNA thyroid is very important, cost effective, a day OPD procedure, and it's done mainly for FNA thyroid nodule to differentiate between a benign and a malignant swelling and the nature of the cystic swelling. So FNA thyroid or ultrasonic FNA important investigation for the thyroid nodule. Thank you very much.